On August 27, Mengshi Technology recently introduced the Mengshi M800 Star Chariot to the press. A high-end version of the Mengshi 917, it was jointly created by Mengshi Technology and Lawrence. The Warrior M800 Star Chariot will be unveiled at the 2024 Chengdu Auto Show on August 30. The current price of the Warrior 917 Extended Range Edition is 637,700 yuan. The interior features a color scheme of obsidian black, interstellar gray, and Hermès orange, with carbon fiber panels added to the details. Judging from the official images, the Warrior M800 Star Chariot's interior continues the layout of the Warrior 917, equipped with a suspended instrument panel, central control display, and co-pilot display. The interior of the new car adopts a special interior color scheme, and the center console with mechanical buttons, gun-style door handles and aircraft-style gear lever further contribute to the tough atmosphere of the car. In addition, the car is equipped with practical configurations such as a small table for the main and passenger backrests and non-slip mats for the trunk/rear seat backrests. The trunk volume is 420 liters, and the rear seats can be folded to expand the storage space. In terms of size, the length, width and height of the Warrior M800 Star Tank are 5136/2172/2063 mm, respectively, and the wheelbase is 2,950 mm. Compared with the Warrior 917, the new car has increased in size. The Warrior M800 will be equipped with a range-extending hybrid system consisting of a 1.5T range extender and an electric motor. The maximum power of the 1.5T range extender is 145 kilowatts, which is the same as the Warrior 917. In addition, Warrior M800 is equipped with 10.6-degree rear-wheel steering, 5-speed adjustable off-road level air suspension and VMC chassis dynamic impact area control technology, supporting 6 full-scenario intelligent off-road modes. Warrior M800 Star Chariot, a high-end version of Warrior 917, has customized appearance and interior. It is expected to be priced higher than the current Warrior 917. In addition, Warrior's 917 has introduced modified versions of models such as Warrior's 917 Dragon Armor, Warrior's 917 Weekend Warrior and Warrior's 917 Highland Lion, providing consumers with various choices.